Hi, I'm Andy Peel from the CCDC. Welcome to this short video on how to recover toolbars in Mercury. To begin, open Mercury. Most toolbars are loaded in Mercury by default, but can be closed accidentally or deliberately. As an example, let's take the Display Option toolbar. By clicking the cross in the top right-hand corner of the toolbar, it will disappear. To recover the Display Options toolbar, go to the Display menu at the top. Under Toolbar, select Display Options. This option will now be ticked under this menu and will make the Display Options toolbar reappear at the bottom of the Mercury interface. All toolbars can be recovered in this way. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.